Hello everyone! Hooks are a fairly new addition to React. They let you use state and other React features without writing a class. In this ProTip, I will show you how to enforce the rules of React hooks with ESLint. Hooks are JavaScript functions, but you need to follow two rules when using them. You should only call hooks at the top level, and only call hooks from React functions. To help you enforce these rules, React.org created an ESLint plugin that you can use with Visual Studio Code. Here's how to use it. Open your project in Visual Studio Code and add the ESLint extension. In a terminal, run npm install ESLint plugin React hooks save dev. Or if you're using yarn add ESLint plugin React hooks dev. This will add the plugin to your dev dependencies in package.json. If you don't have one, create an .eslint rc file at the top level of your project and add the following. Now go to your project and hover over the underlined use effect area. In this example, we're breaking a rule. React hook use effect cannot be called at the top level. React hooks must be called in a React function component or a custom React hook function. So let's break out changes to fix that. The initial use effect problem went away, but we have another hooks problem, underlined by ESLoading. React hook use effect has a missing dependency, scroll handler. Either included or remove the dependency array. Let's change the code for it. Great! Our project is fixed and it now conforms to React hook rules. I hope you find this pro tip helpful. Let us know in the comments how you use hooks or what would you like to see in future pro tips. Thanks for watching.